There are many unique properties around the world, but every so often you find an iconic home that from every room you cannot help but put a smile on your face. A home that radiates a sense of euphoria as you gaze out of the window, staring at 270 degrees of nothing but blue skies, spectacular marine life of all kinds, gorgeous boats passing by, and yes, breathtaking sunrises and sunsets. The same feeling you get perhaps when you're on the Lido deck of a luxurious cruise ship, plus a sense of physical connection with the activities that are happening around you from the confines of your very own home. This 5,300 square foot residence was totally rebuilt in 2010. It's open, bright, has electrical hurricane shutters on every window and door, and is constructed of only the finest building materials available today. The master bedroom features 14-foot ceilings, a double-sided fireplace that flows seamlessly into a luxurious bathroom with spectacular onyx stone, and a heated bathtub with a waterfall that's given a spa-like feeling every day. This magnificent estate is nestled on the southern tip of Merritt Island, Florida. It's just across the bridge and minutes to local shopping areas, overlooking the local yacht club, and sits amongst 400 linear feet of deep waterfront bordering two rivers, where you can park literally any size yacht you can imagine. This home is priced just slightly above land value at $1,850,000 for a quick sale. This iconic Brevard County, Florida residence will quickly become the home of a sophisticated buyer that knows how to recognize an incredible opportunity when they see one.